it's me, Lemon. Lemon Fizz, and today we're playing Build-A-Boat, and we're gonna. And don't mind my avatar, my friend kinda pranked me, and don't mind my nails as well. Let's say my friend trolled me a little bit. He somehow got my password, but we don't talk about that right now. So I'm gonna make tons of videos and upload them, and then I'm gonna stop uploading because all the way to March 10, and then when it's March 10, I'm gonna make a video and upload it because I don't have like that much time to play with play. I have to do those stuff. So yeah, I came to the time where I can play with you, make videos. So this is gonna be one video. I'm gonna make 2 other videos and then another video when I talk about my quitting. Okay. Yeah. I know it's kind of sad that I'm leaving, but you guys know life. Life is life. So in this video, you're gonna make a helicopter. It's good to have it on 0 because like that. Like that, you can do that, and then get the tool I got from the Christmas event. I think, yeah, it was from the Christmas event. And you can copy it and put it all over here, and then you can copy all of this. Copy all of this. Put them over here. You can do it how long you want it to be. I'm gonna make it this big, so I'm quickly gonna turn it. Did it work? Nope, it didn't. Like that. I mean like that, right? Is that good? Yeah, I don't care. I actually don't even care. Yep, looks great. What is the engine doing here? Weird. So, wait. It's not touching. Make it a little bit up. But it touches it. And then we have to make this a little bit longer, like that. And like that. Looking kind of good, I guess. I'm not a professional builder, okay? Don't judge. Okay, I'm going to show you guys later how to make like a grinder. Okay, and then we have to make like these roofs. We don't care. Actually, do care. I want to make this looking like a good helicopter. So first we need to see how a helicopter looks. Yeah, I know how a helicopter looks. I think I know. Does this even look like a good map? Okay, let's make a little bit back. And a little bit further. And a little bit more back. This looks good. And then we have to take this all the way like here, lift it up, and then get this tool. And no, it has to stay normal. Get the red one, like that, I guess. Do it a little bit back, like no. I'm on about a building. Like that, but a little bit, or like that. So make this longer and make this come down. Yeah, see how it has like that thing? Yeah, so that's how it should look. So, and then you have to do that. And pull it back like that. And then make it go a little bit up. Like that. And then make it go back. Like a little back. Not that much. And then get a wheel. Let's see. Get a wheel and make it look like that. I'm gonna make another one here just to make it looks cool. Okay, I want to make it cool. And then up here and here. I'm only gonna do it like that. You guys can also do it. Oh, wait. Like that, and one down like that. Okay, so make this a little bit larger. And now it's time for the front. It looks like a bad helicopter to me, but you don't care? Nah, I don't care. Now we need glass. Let's see how much glass. 55 glass. Let's do this like that. Like that. And get this tool. Make it go a little like that. And then we have to make it go a little bit back. Yep. And then get your metal again. Yeah, like that. Make it go a little bit back. Wow, looks great. It has to touch. Make it go a little bit gray. Yeah. See, and then make it all the way back. Make this actually looks kind of bad. Yeah, like that. See, it kind of looks like a helicopter now. Yeah, kind of. And then you need another wheel. Right, like that. Make the same thing like you did there, but this time you're gonna do something that we haven't done in the back ones. We are gonna add jets. Yes, you guys heard me, jets. And then if you had a screwdriver, you can make it invisible like that. Actually, let's make this a little bit more longer. Like that, and a little bit more back. See, it's kind of, oh yeah, like that. And now we don't talk about that. It's time from the wall walls. Okay, like that. Girl, people, what are you guys doing here? I'm trying to make a video here. Can you guys go a little bit away? Thank you. And then I know it's going through the glass. We don't care about that. And then actually we do kind of care about it. And now you have to turn it. And then make this long. This is kind of complicated, okay? Kind of. Like that. See? What did I say that like 50 times? But we don't care. Like that. And then I need this to go a little back. Down. Oh, it looks bad. It looks really bad. Do the scale to 0 as well. And then do it in a little bit further. Like that. And a little bit more up. Like that. And you guys probably don't like this. Get your scale, do it down. That down as well. Until you see the hole, and then do that. And then do it all the way back. And then as you see, the helicopter looks like this. And now, the same, actually not the same thing, but this in the back, and then get oopsies, and then do this all the way like there, and then scale this the top one all the way to up, do it back, and then it has this style, and then you need a door. Get the prison, what is this his name? Locked door. Put it over here, and then make this all that it touches the ground like that. And for this, you guys get to do this and put the block. It's real complicated. I'm making it myself, so it is kind of complicated. If I watched a YouTube video, it wouldn't be that complicated. We don't care right now. How do it look? Looks great. Make that a little bit down. Like that. It looks okay. No, I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of okay. Make this go a little bit back, and that all the way touching that. Oh no. It's really hard building something. Is that up? Yeah, that's up. You see that little hole? Do that, patch it up. Yeah, see? And now it's only this left. But thinking you have to do all of that in the other side. But you don't have to. You can just copy all of this. Just copy every single piece. You guys cannot miss a piece. And then that, and then click. Kind of fucked up. Right there. See? I know, I fucked up. Actually, I shouldn't swear, but who cares? I already sweared. Yeah, see how good it looks now? Now just add the door right here. And see? The helicopter is done. Looks bad? But, oh, come on. I hate it when I make a video and the charger goes low. Okay. So now you can get to close the door. Now it's time for the interior. For the interior, you will be needing the chair. Yes. But you need to get this, I don't know. Yeah, but you have to make the chair and equip with the door and kind of like leave. And then now we need like a front desk. We'll make the front desk. Oh, come on. Out of wood. Wait, we'll just open all doors. Okay. And put a button. Imagine I don't have a button. Yeah. See? What? Oopsies. Actually, get a lever instead. And then, see? The lever is better. So now you need... Wait, now open the door. Get another lever, actually. Hitting the ground. Yay, see? And this one. See? And then get another lever. I hope I have one. But if you guys don't, you guys can buy it. I have levers. Of course, I actually have levers. Yeah, that's it. With this switch, you can do both of them. But with the outside, you can do that one. But now it's time for the interior. Add chairs. Because chairs are gonna be useful. And then get a jetpack here. And then that's it. Actually, not. It's not it. You can get 2 other chairs over here. These chairs are gonna do nothing. These chairs are actually gonna do nothing. Oh shoot! These wrong tool. These chairs are gonna do nothing. And as you see, these chairs are actually gonna do nothing. This chair can only let's get a camera. Look outside with the cameras. Do you even have a camera? Well, if you have a camera, you can do it. I don't know why. So, that's it for today's video. Actually, what am I saying? Actually, we have 60 minutes left. So let's quickly just save it. Plane, I was making a plan, but it's gonna be heli and heli save. So you can test it by loading. And now open the door, and then get your jetpack, sit there, and let's try it. Yeah. Ah, what's happening? Everything alright? I don't know. Ah. Oh, I found out the problem. Everything alright, guys. I found out the problem. Okay, get the helicopter back. I think I found the problem. If it doesn't work, what's happening in the chat? Mama, I love you too. I think if it doesn't work, it's not my fault. I don't know this stuff. Those 2 and that. Actually, open the door first. And you know, all of these tires are actually connected with the chair. The chair, you know. Open the door. You know, see. Now I think it should work. So let's try. What is happening? I think it's because of the propellers. I don't know. I think it's something with the propellers. It has to. Oh! Can you guys tell me why I'm the dumbest person on earth? Let me quickly just get this. Select all. Transparency is going to be all visible. So, get rid of the jets and put them in the roof like that. You can put how many you want. I'm just going to put down 3 and make that invisible. And then get I forgot to save. I don't know why. No. Did I actually mess up the bed? Get it out of here, Jake. We'll just use 2, I guess. That one. Open the door, please. I'm doing this jet really bad. I mean the plane really bad. Close the door. And now save it. And now let's have a try. Do we even have time to try? Yes, we do. Hello? Jets? Am I in the wrong chair? No? It is the right chair. Hello? What's happening? Hello? Jits? What? Is my game lagging? I think my game is lagging. This is gonna be the last try. If it doesn't work, it's not my fault. So select all. Jet. What is the jet even connected with? No one is allowed to be here. They're kind of annoying me. So, is this not even connected with something? Nope. No one is gonna enter here. I am making a video here. Yes, and now let's save it. And hope for the best that it works. Yes, see. And where's the other jet? We don't care. At least the heli works. So, guys, I guess I'm gonna be ending the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. And today, I'm gonna